Hi guys, today we'll learn about rationalization. Okay, so this is basically for class 9th students. So and this topic is very important. You may get questions in your exams from this part specifically. So this is very important. What is rationalization? So हमें पता है rational numbers I have explained already in previous videos, so you can go and check there. So and irrational numbers also I have explained. Okay, so like I said in the previous classes, previous videos, root 2, root 3 etc. are irrational numbers. Okay, so what is rationalization? If suppose we are having one fraction or anything, a number, okay, if we can see, we also learnt how to represent root 2 and root 3 in a number line. Okay, one number I'll say 1 by root 2. So it is difficult to represent it in the number line. Okay, so how we can represent? One step is, अगर हम इसके डिनोमिनेटर को अगर हम रैशनल नंबर पे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं तो मे बी हम इसको नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं इस डिनोमिनेटर को, क्योंकि मेरा प्रॉब्लम इस डिनोमिनेटर में है, अगर मैं इस डिनोमिनेटर को रैशनल नंबर पे कन्वर्ट कर दूँ तो मैं इसको नंबर लाइन में शो कर सकती हूँ. ठीक है, तो इस प्रोसेस को मीन्स चेंजिंग ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर टू अ रैशनल नंबर, ओके, इरेशनल डिनोमिनेटर टू अ रैशनल नंबर इज नोन एज रैशनलाइजेशन. ठीक है, तो ये हम कैसे करते हैं? सपोज रूट 2 डिनोमिनेटर में हमारा रूट 2 है, हम इसको रैशनल नंबर कैसे कर सकते हैं? सपोज मैं न्यूमरेटर पे रूट 2 एंड डिनोमिनेटर पे भी रूट 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दूँ. इससे क्या होता है ना, मेरे न्यूमरेटर पे आ जाता है रूट 2 एंड डिनोमिनेटर पे रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 इज 2. सो नाउ आई गॉट दिस एज अ रैशनल number. The denominator I got it as a rational number. Okay, so which means half into root 2. Now I can represent this in a number line. ठीक है, तो ये इस प्रोसेस को रैशनलाइजेशन कहा जाता है. तो बिफोर डूइंग रैशनलाइजेशन देयर आर मेनी फॉर्मूलाज व्हिच वी शुड रिमेंबर. ओके, ये फॉर्मूलाज हम ऑलरेडी आइडेंटिटीज़ में देख चुके हैं. ठीक है, बट फिर से इसको मैं इधर स्पेसिफाई कर देती हूँ. सो बिट 1, root over of AB together is equals to root over of A into root over of B. Bit 2, whole root over of A by B is equals to root over of A divided by root over of B. Bit 3, root over of A plus root over of B into root over of A minus root over of B. See, this is an identity na, A plus B into A minus B. Its formula is A square minus B square, and if I'll do A square, root A's square, root and square will be cut, I'll get A, and B square will be, I'll get B, which is A minus B. Bit 4, A minus root B, A plus root B into A minus root B. Similar identity if I'll apply, I'll get A square minus B square, A square, I'll get A square, and for B square, root and square will be cut, I'll get minus B. Bit V, root A plus root B into root C into root D. Here everything, each variable are different. Okay, so sorry, this is plus, which is equals to, just have to multiply. So A into C, root AC plus root AD plus root BC plus root BD. And last one, sixth bit, that is root A plus root B whole square is equals to A plus B whole square. Formula A square means root square will be cut, A plus 2AB, 2 into root A into root B will be 2 root AB together plus B square, root square will be cut, I will get B. So these are the formulas you should remember, or if you are unable to remember too, you can find it in the ROF by applying the identity formulas. Okay, so now we will solve some question from the exercise 1.5 from NCERT book. In NCERT book, in question number 5, you will see the rationalization question is there. Bit I, you have to rationalize 1 by root 7. As I did in 1 by root 2, I did like this. Just the same way you have to do. 1 into root 7 divided by root 7 into root 7, which is equals to root 7 by 7. This is my answer. Now bit 2, in bit 2 the question is 1 by root 7 minus root 6, which is equals to, here denominator I am having root 7 minus root 6. Let root 7 is A and root 6 is B. So this is in the form root A minus root B. Root A minus root B. If I will multiply root A plus root B, I will get A minus B in the denominator, and this will be a rational number. So and whether whatever I will multiply in the denominator, I have to multiply same in the numerator. So 1 into root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 minus root 6, root 7 plus root 6, which is equals to root 7 plus root 6 divided by, it will be A minus B, simply A minus B. So 7 minus 6, that is 1, which is simply root 7 plus root 6. Okay, and bit 3, if you will do bit 3, the question is 1 by root 5 plus root 2, which is equals to, similarly this is in the form of root A plus root B. This we have to multiply this root A minus root B in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2, which is equals to root 5 minus root 2 divided by A minus B means 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. This much is your answer. And bit IV, fourth bit, 1 divided by root 7 minus 2. Here we have to multiply the this is like A minus B. If I multiply A plus B, like root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2, only root 7 plus 2, I will get equals to, I will get root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 square, root square will be cut, I will get 7, 7 minus 2 square is 4, 7 minus 4 is 7 minus 4, which is equals to root 7 plus 2 divided by 3. So this is my answer. So these are the answers of all the bits. If you have any doubt from the rationalization or from the any problem of rationalization from any other reference book, do let me know in the comment section. I will cover those in the next videos. Thank you guys.